Hello, I'll be doing a door panel removal on this truck. It's got a rattle when you close it, so there's something either loose or missing. Alright, so this holds on 1, 2, 3 bolts. It is one bolt here, one holding this down, and moving the Tremel panel. Right, pull it from the bottom, pull it up, it comes off. And there is two 12mm bolts up there. I'll start with removing this switch because you need to disconnect it. Be out of your way. Small screwdriver, press in, there's going to be a little tab. You pull it up and then leave it right about there and then pull the back up, because if you go up any higher it's going to get hung up. Pull up the back and it just comes right up. You disconnect it. Same thing for the light. From the back, and it drops out. It wouldn't be hanging, and then clip. There is a T. Double check. This bolt requires a T25 Torx. You keep it because you're going to need it again after the panel. Going up back to the top here, this little door unlock, you have to pull off the little cap, and you'll need a T10 screw. Take off that. After you take that off, you pull this up, disconnect the switch and both the bolts, and there is going to be 9 clips going from up here down across the bottom and back up. There's 9 clips. Most of the time they break, so you want to order 9 new clips, and if something doesn't break you can save it. But yeah, we're pulling off the panel now. After removing the panel, you have access to the wiring, the speaker, and as you can see, these are the clips. Some get stuck, some come out. Right there. Here's where I'm going to be using the T25 Torx again. Starting from here and working my way around. This is a metal panel. It has sharp edges, and I just got to be careful with it. It's because sometimes if you're not careful, it can fall and hit the truck and scratch the truck, and I'll be removing that next, and we'll see what's rattling inside. Alright, the panel is off. You're looking at what, here's a rattling sound whenever you close the door. It's right here. I thought something was loose, but it is actually missing soft cushion right there. You can see it on this side. I can get to camera to work with me. See, black cushion inside. On the front it's there, in the back it's not there. I'm gonna have to order this part and fix it. Install the switch just for testing and see how everything works, and everything is good. So that's how you remove the panel. And to remove the broken clips, I use a long dikes. Just grab them right here and you just pull them on. A lot of them come out like that. And once you're done cleaning all that, you reinstall the metal cover, secure the wiring, and then clips. Put new ones, you just put them on, slide them over, make sure they're all there, and put everything together. Once you know where everything's at, it's pretty easy to go back together. Hope this helps. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.